The man found guilty of shooting and killing 2 Israeli embassy staffers is eligible for the death penalty. The indictment adds 2 federal counts of hate crime resulting in death and 2 local counts of assault with intent to kill while armed. This as per reports. The US Attorney General Pam Bondi will decide whether to seek the death penalty. US Attorney for the District of Columbia, Janine Pirro, has also said that FBI investigations to date indicate that the subject acted alone with the intent to commit a violent act in the District of Columbia. Let's listen in to those comments.
Attached to this indictment are further findings of the grand jury. It's designated as a notice of special findings under 18 U.S.C. 3591 and 92. This begins the statutory process and whether to seek the death penalty. This is a weighty decision. It takes time. There will be a rigorous process, after which the capital case section in the Attorney General's office will advise the Attorney General, and the Attorney General herself will make a decision regarding whether or not this office will seek death against Elias Rodriguez.
Well, of course, this situation, shocking, a shocking killing of 2 young staffers, Israeli staffers based in the United States. The situation surrounding crimes of this type, not necessarily as extreme, but targeting of Israeli places of worship, Israeli businesses, is something we're seeing happening globally. Questions are being raised, of course, about what more can be done to protect Israelis living outside of the country. We will continue to monitor this and bring you any updates on it. But we now head back to the Middle East, and the United States has presented Lebanon with a proposal for disarming Hezbollah, along with ending Israel's military operation in the country and the withdrawal of its troops from 5 positions in southern Lebanon. In a cabinet meeting held by the Lebanese army, detailed steps for disarming Hezbollah were discussed. Following this, Lebanese information minister said that the cabinets approved the objectives of US envoy Tom Barrack's plan, but did not discuss it in full detail. Here is what was said.
The United States welcomes the Lebanese government's decision on Tuesday to task the Lebanese armed forces with a plan to bring all weapons under state control by the end of the year. This is an important step towards Lebanese sovereignty. We continue to watch developments in Lebanon very closely. Special Envoy Tom Barrack made it clear what the president needs to see. As long as Hezbollah retains arms, words will not suffice. The Lebanese armed forces must fully commit and act now to fully implement the government's decision. The credibility of Lebanon's government rests on its ability to match principle with practice.
And we'll now move on.